Hey there, this is Russell Yates, part of MIS530, Predictive Analytics. This is a screencast going over running SAS on demand for academics from the SAS Institute. SAS Enterprise Minor, I guess they doesn't go by SAS, it's SAS is how they say it. So we'll go with that. Once you click on that, you get a download of a .jnlp file, main.jnlp. Seems to be a one-time use file that opens up the Enterprise Minor interface. I've already gone through this. This is the second time going through to create the screencast for more context. Just put it on the background here. You go to click New Project. Step 1 of 4, select SAS Server. Okay. Click Next. Put in a project name. This one will do Hello World. Click Next. Step 3 is register the product. Select SAS folders location for the product. Use these folders to organize your projects and control user access. The user folders is a little different than what they were instructing in our this document here. I think that we're supposed to be using the courses with that key for where we're going to store our information. I could be wrong, but this screencast is only showing using and opening and using the console for the first time, so we'll figure that out soon. So it looks good. You can't really browse or do anything, so hopefully that's okay. We'll click Next. Here we're in step 4, and I actually clicked Next. I double clicked on it my first time around, which is why I wasn't able to get a screenshot of this. But this is what step 4, new project information, should look like. Doesn't really give you the root folder, just gives you kind of where it's stored on the cloud server, I'm assuming. So we click Finish, and that'll take us to the main console. Enterprise Minor Hello World, and you see it's the author is signed in here. I'm signed in. We're connected to the server. If we go to Preferences, we can see some more default information that starts up in the console. Good to know if you ever need to change something. If you go to View, oh no, there's recent projects. Here it is. It's weird, the recent projects doesn't show the first project I created, and I'm not sure why. I actually ran into something that maybe not a lot of users would expect, but let's see if I can get this to happen again. It crashed my first time around, actually. I think it was metadata. Yeah. So this is where our metadata, oh, there it is. Our metadata is stored. SAS folders, user folders, that's the name. And if you go in here and you click up from here, this is where it crashed the application last time, and it looks like it's doing it again too. If you try to go to the next folder up from the U430 yada yada folder, the browser within the Enterprise Minor console doesn't really know what to do with it. Either that or it's processing some information that might take a long time. So there's probably a lot of these instances of different folders being used for students. So It's one thing that ended up crashing my system last time around. So I had to Control Delete and start it all over again before I could do this screencast. Anyway, I'll have to do that again, but this is Russell Yates with MIS530 predictive analytics. We're doing the week 1 logging in and using Enterprise Miner for the first time. Thank you very much.